What is TEDS Woodworking? This is a guide that outlines steps involved to make woodwork projects successfully. The course teaches learners skills that are needed to become a professional woodworker. It has 16,000 woodworking plans to provide you an opportunity to come up with multiple designs. The program has a step-by-step approach to get you through the woodworking process. Additionally, there are several diagrams, videos, and other illustrations that guide project makers. You'll adequately gain all the essential skills required for every project if you keenly follow everything to detail. TEDS Woodworking program is a collection of several woodworking plans. It also lists essential tools you require to create woodwork projects for home, business, office, or any other environment they'll fit. This is a valid and most detailed practical woodworking course you'll find in the market. TEDS is a great resource to help you enjoy creating your projects from the comfort of your home. It's downloadable in any digital device, and you can read it anywhere, anytime, and make later implementation. Click the descriptive link below to watch the video tutorials specific to you.